welcome back to my channel. It's your girl BerryFae, and today we are reviewing some beautiful necklaces from My Little Necklace. They reached out to me on Instagram and I absolutely am in love. I customized 3 different kinds of necklaces. I will leave all the information down below. Again, the company's name is My Little Necklace. Exciting. I just can't wait. Okay, let's go. All right, so let's just pick this one first. So they come in these really cute little dust bags. I really think that's so cute. It's a very soft material, and it just says My Little Necklace. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so this is the first piece. I will leave the names and everything that I did to customize it right here. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I am blown away, and this is just the first one. This is what it looks like right now, just straight out of the package without being unboxed. And on each side I have written something. So this side says Ariel, this one says Berry, this one says Alexis, and then it says Faye. So Ariel, Berry, Faye, Alexis in total. The chain is super gold. I love the way it's going to look against my skin. Yes, chocolate skin and gold. I am super impressed. We are gonna try all of them on at the end, and each of them come with a little white cloth to wipe them down, take off the fingerprints. Next we have this one. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Ooh, this is it. This is it. All right, so this one is also gold. I believe I got 2 golds and 1 rose gold. I can't really remember. I believe that's what I did. So this one just has my name in a gold plate. It is stunning. Look at that. It's super detailed. The quality of it is very thick. All right, and so here's the last one. I believe this is the rose gold one. I really hope I'm correct. I'm super excited. This is so fun. Yes, I was right. This is the gold one. I'm actually gonna wear this one today. All right, so this one says Berry and rose gold. Look at that. Super cute. All right, let's get a close-up of each of them individually. All right, so you guys seen them up close. Now it's time to try them on. I am super excited to put these on. Oh, my skin is all nice and moisturized too. Oh, it's just gonna be amazing. So first we're gonna try the Ariel necklace. This is just in the color gold. I love how thick the name is. It's not flat. It's flat, but it ain't flat. So I really like that a lot. I think that makes it really look more expensive than it really was. These were super affordable. Again, all the information will be on the screen. I can't remember them off the top of my head, so I'll just put them on the screen. This is a type of lock that it is, you know, the standard little hook lock. Really cute, really dainty. Like, this is like an everyday type of necklace, and I like that. Yay, I got it. It's so cute. It's super cute. I like this a lot. This is really pretty. It's really cute. It's really simple. Again, this is like an everyday type of necklace. It's gold. It's cute. Next we're gonna try the rose gold one. This one says Berry on it. I had to get something that represents me, of course. So this is this one. It's super cute. It's a rose gold. It's a very light rose gold. It's not as gold as this bracelet, but it's cute. It's the matches, and I'm gonna wear this one. I like the font. You can choose your own font, which I really like. Cute. I love it. Oh my gosh, I love this. I love this a lot. This is super cute. I love the way this one looks on my body. I think it goes really well with my complexion. It just gives me summer vibes. Look at my skin glowing. Yes, this is really cute. I like the way it reflects in the light differently. Like on some angles it looks a little silver, and then it looks a little gold. All right, so here is the last one. I like this one a lot. This one is more, I would say, like going out kind of jewelry, because the band or the chain is a little bit more, it looks a little bit more expensive. It gives that really like, it just looks more heavy, more real. But on each side you rotate it, you can add your own thing. Again, on mine I just typed Ariel Alexis, and then I put BerryFae, so it says Ariel, BerryFae, Alexis in total. And I think it's super cute. I really like this. This is gonna be perfect with like all black or something, like period. Like, oh my gosh. Oh, I got that on the first try. Ah! This is super cute. I love this. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to wear this. Is my favorite. Imagine me like dressed up and then I have this cute, look at the chain. You see the way the chain just, accentuates my neck. It looks so good, especially with my glossy body. I love this a lot. I would probably put it on the last hoop or loop because I want it to be a little bit more down. Like I would love this to be going down my neck, like down this way. I don't want it to look like a choker. Let me see what it would look like on the last one. Okay, not a huge difference, but it's dropping a little bit more, and I'd rather it drop. I wish the chain was just a tad bit longer. Oh yeah, so they come with these white cloths, so you can wipe your fingerprints off of them, which for this one especially, I would love for it to stay clean. All right, so right here it has the name, so that says Berry, this one says Ariel, this one says Faye, and then this one says Alexis. I really like this one the most. This is my favorite one, then the Berry, then the Ariel. I love this one. I probably wear this one today actually, but it's so cute. I love the way it looks on. You guys, that's the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Look at how amazing these two pair together. I just had to try pairing some of them together, and I like the two gold ones together. They are giving me a look and I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to check out my little necklace, all the links will be in the description box below, as well as coupon codes and all that jazz, y'all know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.